Wonder shall never end, my people. Lady don't come outside, come talk, say, Mercy Aigbe, they say use thing, wey be say she don't use. Say she go buy the cloth, finish, she go wear the cloth, she go wear the shoe. She will come, use and take snap picture, do photo shoot for Instagram, finish. Then she will come put them back to her store, come they sell them for people, my people. Hi guys, welcome back to another odd gist, guys. How you guys doing? If you are new here, you are welcome. And if you are returning subscriber, God bless you as you always come back to watch my video, guys. And if you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Subscribe so that you will not miss any updates about the celebrities. And don't also forget to click the notification bell so that you will be notified anytime I upload a new video. So guys, let's get into the video, guys. Those of you now when I don't know Mercy Aigbe. Mercy Aigbe na Yoruba actress wey be say she dey act Yoruba movie, and she don dey for the industry for long time, and me I dey gbadu her movie well. But this one wey be say it can't happen now, be say lady buy shoe for Mercy Aigbe hand, and as she buy the shoe, the lady come talk say when she carry the shoe where they post the shoe give am, they don't already wear the shoe as the shoe reach her place. Say they don't already wear the shoe. And when we say all the shoes say they don't wear them. So she can't contact the person where they sell for Mercy Aigbe shop. Say, this shoe when I post for me, now don't already wear the shoe. Waiting happen. Now the lady come talk say, nah, he carry and go as na child use and take scratch and he put them for ground. Now he make them be like that, me no vest. As she see they complain, they block them, they no return her money back for them. She said not be say she dey spoil Mercy Aigbe market too. But maybe they wear cloth, they wear shoe before they'll come sell and give people. That one they very bad. Because people they work hard to get that money. You know go just be post cloth for Instagram. Now you thought say you be celebrities. You post shoe for Instagram. You thought say you be celebrities. At the end of the day, the clothes will be say you don't already wear. Will be say you don't already wear. You don't use and do photo shoot with your friend. Nowadays, Mercy Aigbe and her friend, all the clothes she they sell for inside that store, all of them, Naisha and her friend, don't take snap picture for Instagram. And me and the only reason before this matter come as me and they think say this our friend will be say they wear all the clothes will be say that they advertise them so. The clothes if they dash our friend, I mean if they wear and finish, they go return them back to store. Me I they think before this matter come up. Because our person go buy something for your hand. And the end of the day, your sales girl come they talk say the child use and they scratch the up of the shoe where she put her for ground. Now girl now they push you a bit they now no get chef when they arrange shoe put for our shop. It's not possible. Because all these people will be say that they buy shoe for celebrities, and if normal person come store say they say that kind of shoe, will be say the shoe na small money. Celebrities will they say their own shoe one for 10,000, 20,000. Will be say person will be saying shoe even quality pass their own. Now not go buy for them. Now go talk say because they be celebrities, what is that they wear on our one wear them. At the end of the day, now go buy fake. And I mean now if now not buy fake, the one where they don't use remain. Now they go sell give on. Every cloth will be say Mercy Aigbe get for that store. Now she don't use and take do photo shoot together with her friend. Iyabo Ojo still get store like that, but Iyabo Ojo know they wear clothes like that. She know they wear clothes like that, so she want to use everything to take do photo shoot. Mercy Aigbe on with her friend, they go wear the shoe to take do photo shoot. They go wear the clothes, everything will be said that they sell for inside that store. Other actors they will be said that they sell, but men now also try to learn how to patronize people where they not be celebrities. Make them sell for blow, make their market for sell. All these celebrities go use something, remember, when we say they go don't use a snap picture of him, they go don't wear and go location. They'll carry and put for inside cart, so they'll go sell them for shop. Now that one, at the end of the day, now they come social media, say they don't cheat on now, they don't carry on our money, and at second hand shoe now that they say. Because now go there, go buy. Person will be saying own things, they okay, will be saying no, they use them. She know they use and do photo shoot. Now no go there, go buy because say now one snap picture with celebrities if na reach there. I be now one wear the same thing with that celebrities they wear. Now no go no say not be all club with celebrities we're not being be original. Some person will be say they not be celebrities. Their things self even quality past what celebrities they say. So as long as they patronize those celebrities will be say they don't already get name. Men I say they patronize the one will be say they never even get name. They never get when we say that they try to grow, when we say their market, they there, and not great buy from them. Now no great buy from them. And all those clothes fine or even quality parts the one way celebrities they sell. Because many celebrities things when we say that they sell. Many of them, na cameraman, if they don't snap the picture finish, they will come get where they will take edit the picture. Where we say, you will come be like say the cloth quality. Now not gonna say the cloth no even quality, just the way they for inside that picture. So now one of them I don't learn lesson now. As this video come aside, so I need to learn lesson. I learn how to also patronize people where we say they don't be celebrities. Because those one know they use their things before they can sell them. And those one, if something they go return on their money. And if not be Mercy Aigbe they do this thing, when we say now sales girl, now they do this one, she need to talk to her sales girl, because you know if you just put market for store now, may you know go there, go they check and maybe say you go only carry market put for there, and at the end of the day you go they wait, may they say they sell you money. You also need to learn how to go there to they control everything for inside that shop before they post and go meet people. At least once in a week, you need to at least you need to go there, go they see things where they happen. Make them for no they send second-hand shoe, go they give people. Because if they sell second-hand shoe, go they give people. The more that they sell second-hand shoe, some no go talk, why some go carry and go give blogger. Them one must talk, come aside. And like that, Mercy Aigbe, you know go good for you like that. So if you want, make people not spoil your market. Because this will not be say that they spoil your market. Person no go feel buy something. Maybe say, you know, can't get what you want. He pay you with our money. And at the end of the day, she no can't get what she pay for. That one a very bad something. So what you go do, Mercy Aigbe? Go your shop, may you go they check. If not the sales girl, I they do away, we say no be you they do one. Change the sales girl, put another person, or make you advise the sales girl, make she no do am again. The person where they sell for you, make she no do am again. If to say that she they do am, if to say she get tied, when we say the child they use until they scratch the shoe, make she not put the shoe for near where the child go for use anti-scratch shoe. Because for store, if person won't carry sales girl, now the sales girl no fit they carry child they come shop. But if you see a lot of when we say they carry child they come, no problem. But maybe they put the shoe for where the child no go for the scratch am. Because like this, you know they okay, make person pay for shoe at the end of the day. You know go get better quality shoe. Then you go come show say the under. They don't wear the shoe. All of the other come be like, oh, you don't old. If some don't chop for under. You know good like that now. My people, as I hear this matter, I thought make I carry and come here, come share and with you. Let me know what you think for the comment section. And if you never subscribe, subscribe so that I no go miss any celebrity just way I they upload. Bye bye till I come on our way next time. Bye guys. See you guys in my next video. Bye guys.